Hello everyone. In this part 2 of three-dimensional geometry, we are going to do the solutions of questions related to straight line in space. So let's start with the question number 1a part. In this question number 1a part, find the Cartesian equation of a line which passes through the point -2, 4, -5. Because this is passing through this point, therefore we can say here x1 is equals to -2, y1 is equals to 4, and z1 is equals to -5. Now, and given this line is parallel to the given line. So, if whatever line equation we have to find out, if that is parallel to this line, it means whatever the drs of this, that one will also the drs of required line. So, we can say here a1 is equals to 3, b1 is equals to 5, and c1 is equals to 6. Therefore, you can say equation of line will be x minus x1 upon a is equals to y minus y1 upon b is equals to z minus z1 upon c. Therefore, x minus, it means x plus 2 upon 3, y minus 4 upon 5 is equals to z plus 5 upon 6. This is the equation of line in Cartesian form. Now, in question number 2, what is this? Find the value of P so that the lines are parallel. Whenever equations of lines are given and it is not in standard form, first of all we have to convert into standard form. Look at this in first equation of line. 1 minus x upon 3 is equals to 7y minus 14 upon 2p is equals to z minus 3 upon 2. Here it should be x minus x1, but it is not there, so we have to convert into x minus x1 form. Here y minus y1, but the coefficient of y is 7, that's why we will take 7 common and convert into standard form. So what this become? X minus 1 upon minus 3, y minus 2 upon 2p upon 7, and is equals to z minus 3 upon 2. This is the equation number 1. Now the equation of second line is given. 7 minus 7x upon 3p is equals to y minus 5 upon 1 is equals to 6 minus z upon 5. Now this is the equation of second line. For this also we have to make the conversion. Take the 7 common and minus also common. So this become x minus 1 upon 3p upon minus 7. It means minus 3p upon 7, y minus 5 upon 1, and z minus 6 upon minus 5. Now this is the equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, we can observe from equation 1 and equation 2, what we are observing here, a1 is equals to minus 3, b1 is equals to 2p upon 7, and c1 is equals to 2, a2 is equals to minus 3p upon 7, b2 is equals to 1, and c2 is equals to minus 5. Now you will say for perpendicular lines, what is the rule? a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equals to 0. It means this become 9p upon 7 plus 2p upon 7, and this minus 10 is equals to 0. It implies that what is this? 11p upon 7 is equals to 10. It implies that p is equals to what this becomes? 70 upon 11. And this is the answer for this part. Now let's start to do the solution of question number 3. In this question we have to find the shortest distance between the lines whose vectors equations are this. So first of all, equation of first line, it is given r is equals to 1 minus t I cap plus t minus 2 j cap plus 3 minus 2t k cap. We will convert into standard form. This become I minus 2j plus 3k, and this t is common. So what this become? Minus I plus j and minus 2k. This is the equation number 1. For second line, we have the equation is equals to r is equals to s plus 1 I cap plus 2s minus 1 j cap minus 2s plus 1 k cap. So this become R is equals to, what is this, I minus j minus k plus s I plus 2j minus 2k. This is the second equation. Now we will say here a1 is equals to I minus 2j plus 3k, a2 is equals to I minus j minus k, b1 is equals to minus I plus j minus 2k, b2 is equals to I plus 2j minus 2k. This is b2. Now we know very well shortest distance is given by a2 minus a1, vector a2 minus a1 dot b1 cross b2 upon magnitude of b1 cross b2. So this is the rule to find out the shortest distance. Let us suppose this is the equation number 3rd. Now first of all a2 minus a1 will give, what is this? This will give j minus 4k. Then b1 cross b2. If we will find out b1 cross b2, now look at this thing, what will come? I, j, k, and this is minus 1, 1, minus 2, 1, 2, minus 2. It means b1 cross b2 is equals to, what is this? I cap. This is minus 2 plus 4 minus j. What is this? 2 plus 2 plus k cap. K cap means what this become? Minus 2 minus 1. It means this is equals to 2i minus 4j minus 3k. This is the value of b1 cross b2. Now we will find out the magnitude also. b1 cross b2 magnitude is equals to, what is this? 4 plus 16 plus 9. It means what is this? Root 29. Now we have to find out a2 minus a1 cross, dot b1 cross b2 also. Once we will find out this thing, we have all this part. This is 0, this is minus 4, and this is, what this become? Plus 12. What is this? This is 8 only. It means from equation 3, what we are observing? We are observing shortest distance is equals to, what is this? 8 upon root 29, and this is the answer for this part. On the basis of this explanation, you have to do the practice to solve the other questions also. Don't forget to give the answer of this question in comment box. Thanks and God bless you.